Do you know about Ashok Chakra on Indian national flag? The Ashok Chakra seen on the Indian national flag is rendered in a navy blue color on a white background.
The Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes, which gives an inspiration message to every person. The message is work tirelessly for 24 hours and keep moving.
Do you know why it is on Indian flag? And what is the story behind it? Initially flag had a chakra with Mahatma Gandhi symbol of self-reliance before 1947. After independence, it has been changed to Ashok Chakra. Ashok Chakra that represents Dharmachakra, with 24 spokes, and blue in color with white background. It is found during Samrat Ashoka's time. It is adopted on the 22nd of July 1947. The 24 spokes represent Bhav Chakra. The size of Ashok Chakra has not been specified, but all is says that 24 spokes must be evenly spaced. One connotation is that the chakra represents time and 24 spokes represent 24 hours. Interesting feature is that the Ashok Chakra is India's highest peacetime military decoration award.